Hello, in the previous video I explained the overview of the every desktop tab. I also mentioned that I will be explaining about each and every step of the tab in detail in the upcoming videos. Now in this video I will explain the first step of the process, which is the develop test case for functional testing. To start the development, click on the develop test case button. It will open the Notepad++ and the UI Spy. This is the Notepad++ and this is the UI Spy. Now you can write the code for the test case in the Notepad++ using UI Spy to detect the elements. You have to write only one scenario for functional testing. This is a sample code for functional testing. Once the code is written, now save the test case based on the naming conventions. The test case should be named as follows: df underscore calc underscore tc underscore 001, and you have to save it as a Python file. Once the test case is now saved, close the Notepad++ and the UI Spy. This is how you have to write a test case for functional testing. In the next video, I will explain the steps how to prepare the test case, which was written in this step. To post your projects, visit our website TestOnNeed.com. For furthermore assistance, contact us on sales@testonneed.com. Do connect with us on our Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Stay tuned. Thank you.